Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best drain cleaner you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best drain cleaner in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Thrift Drain Cleaner Thrift Odorless Drain Cleaner. With safe for septic system maintenance, Thrift's drain cleaner claims to work in only 60 seconds on slow-flowing drains. Hot water is required to warm the pipes and dissolve and activate the crystals before you thoroughly flush the drain after 60 seconds. It can be left to work overnight on grease traps. Because it's a strong chemical cleaner, Thrift Drain Cleaner must not be used in garbage disposals or toilets. Dissolves grease and hair in 60 seconds or less. Odorless 4-in-1 drain cleaner that small drains, grease traps, septic systems. Root control will not harm porcelain, chrome, plastic or metal pipes, fine plumbing fixtures. Acrylic or fiberglass non-acid formula contains high percentage of sodium hydroxide will not harm plumbers. Snakes enhance the growth of active bacteria, can be stored indefinitely. 2 pounds. Our second best drain cleaner is Drano Max Gel Drain Clog Cleaner. Drano stands out among drain cleaners for the same reasons that it takes our best overall spot. This popular drain cleaner works effectively on different drains and disposals, whether in your bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or garage. This highly concentrated formula works in about 7 minutes and can remove even the toughest grime buildup from your drains. The process is simple: that pour 1/5 of the bottle into your drain and leave it alone for 15 minutes or more. Then flush the drain with hot water from the sink. You can repeat this process until the water flows through the drain without any signs of clogs from hair, soap scum, or standing water. In addition to tackling clogs, this formula protects pipes against corrosion, giving them a longer lifespan. More challenging buildups could require repeat applications and longer wait times. But if you want an effective solution for clogged drains throughout your home, this reasonably priced product is hard to beat. Third pick in our list is Liquid Plumer Drain Clog Remover. Liquid Plumer Hair Clog Eliminator gets rid of the toughest hair clogs, teed, or your money back. This powerful gel destroys hair clogs the first time with 70% more actives. Hair Clog Eliminator effectively unclogs your bathtub, shower, bathroom sink and kitchen sink, and clears slow-running drains. It is also specially formulated for hair clogs, the most common reason for clogs in your drain. It's safe for all septic systems and pipes, including PVC, plastic, metal and old pipes. Do not use in toilets or garbage disposals or with ammonia, toilet bowl cleaners or non-liquid plumer clog removers to avoid the release of hazardous gas. Liquid plumer contains able surfactants and no phosphorus. Excessive heat or cold may cause some of the ingredients in liquid plumer to form clumps, but this should not affect its performance. Removes thick hair clogs safely and effectively in bathroom sinks, kitchen sinks, showers and bathtubs. Safe for all septic systems and pipes, including PVC, plastic, metal and old pipes, not for use in toilets or garbage disposals. Thick gel coats hair, eliminating hair clogs, the number 1 cause of blocked drains. Just pour, wait 15 minutes and flush hair clog away. Safe for septic systems and all pipes, including PVC, plastic, copper and old pipes. Number 4 in our side is Calm Star Pure Biodegradable Drain Opener. Calm Star Pure Lye is an industrial strength, eco-friendly, 99% pure sodium hydroxide bead formula. It's designed to clear out drains, grease traps, and septic systems by dissolving grease, hair and root growth instantly. Calm Star Pure Lye is also a best-selling soap maker. This sodium hydroxide formula is the purest white, bead-sized lye in the world, 99% pure. A natural drain opener, its non-acid, biodegradable formula is safe on fine fixtures, chrome trim, and metal or plastic pipes, if used as directed. This fantastic product clears clogged and slow-moving drains, grease traps, and septic systems without harming septic or cesspools. Applied regularly, it enhances the growth of active bacteria. Because of its unique bead shape, Calm-Star Pure Lye will sink to the bottom of standing water and attack the cause of the blockage for a fast breakup. This product is made of 99% pure lye beads that are industrial strength and can clear out even the toughest pipe clogs. Most drain openers are a liquid or gel formula, but there are some products that come in other forms, such as the Calm-Star Pure Lye Bead Drain Opener. Last in our best drain cleaner list is BioClean Drain Cleaner. If you have a septic system, it's best to stay away from harsh chemical drain openers, as they can harm your plumbing. Instead, you'll want to use a septic system-friendly product such as BioClean Drain Septic Bacteria. This powder formula uses a combination of natural bacteria and enzymes to cut through organic waste in your pipes. It is effective on grease, hair, soap scum, food particles, and more. Because it doesn't affect inorganic materials, it's safe for use on all plumbing systems, including septic tanks. Many users say that if you use the product as directed over the course of several days, it will effectively clear up any clogs or backups, allowing your pipes to drain better than ever. BioClean uses this same principle to remove organic waste that accumulates in your plumbing and septic system. Like all living things, bacteria must eat to survive. Fortunately, the grease, hair, soap film and organic waste found in your drains and septic tanks are food for the bacteria in BioClean. The enzymes prepare this food or the bacteria by breaking down the large molecules into a size the bacteria can swallow.